Hi guys, I'm Mims and you're welcome to MIM'S TV. In today's channel, we're going to be talking about 10 businesses that one can start with low capital in Nigeria. So if this is something you would like to watch, then you definitely have to keep on watching. Welcome back. So 10 businesses that one can start in Nigeria with low capital are: 1. Tutorials. If you're good with teaching, you're good with tutoring people on different things, on different crafts or subjects, consider starting it up as a business. You don't need to break the bank to do that. All you just need is to put a notice in front of your house, and for example you just say English teacher available, math teacher available. Any craft you do, anything you tutor on, you can just write it in front of your house and you see people coming. You don't necessarily need to start going from one school to the other to look for a job. You too can start it up, especially this period that everybody is at home. So you can start it up as a business. Imagine you handling 5 students, 10 students, and from 10 students to 20. Like that it grows up. Every great thing usually is to start small. So my own advice is starting small. It's like taking a bold step and being consistent to it and being serious with it. It will eventually grow. Then the second business that one can start up in Nigeria with low capital is blogging. Yes, there are so many stories going around Nigeria right now. There's so many gossips going around Nigeria right now. There's so many content, there's so many stories that you can write and become a blogger. People will read it. Don't say who will read it. They will read it. Especially your enemies will want to read it. They want to see that rubbish she's doing, that trash she's doing, not knowing that they're helping you grow your audience, and from that you are also going to be paid. So thinking of starting blogging is a very good idea, and it's something that will be very helpful in 2020. So number 3 business that one can start in Nigeria with low capital is YouTube. If you're watching me, automatically means that you're on YouTube watching me. What is stopping you from starting it up? Start your own YouTube channel and you will thank me later. YouTube is very big to accommodate everybody, each and every one of us. So why wasting time? Start it up, darling. Start it. As long as you have content to put out, people will definitely watch it. So starting up YouTube, it's something else you should consider. So number 4 business that one can start up with little capital in Nigeria is making hair. If you're a lady and you usually make your kids' hair or your sister's hair or your mom's hair, why don't you do it with others? Remember, Christmas is almost at the corner, and usually in Nigeria during Christmas period, every salon is always filled up. So why don't you start it? Start braiding hair, start fixing weave on, start it up, and before you know it, you will grow. You don't necessarily have to have a salon to start up your own. You don't necessarily have to have somewhere. Just in front of your house is also okay for you to do that, and from there you can graduate to another place. So starting up hair making will be very good. Then if you're a guy, why don't you start haircuts? If you know how to do different haircuts, different styles, start it up. Start with your brother, your just people around you, your father. It will grow. So number 6 business that one can start up in Nigeria is makeup. Makeup is something that is very popular. Even if there are thousands and thousands and thousands of people doing makeup, you still can't have enough of makeup artists in Nigeria. We are always going for parties, Saturdays, Wednesdays. In fact, almost every day now there are different activities to go for, there are different outings to go for. So why don't you consider starting up makeup as something? If you're thinking of tutoring, there are so many videos on YouTube that will show you different ways to start, for beginners, for professionals. Every detail you need are filled up on YouTube. So why don't you start up your makeup game? Start, and remember, practice makes it perfect. Just keep practicing. And I was once a makeup artist, and I know how much I made while I was a makeup artist. The reason why I stopped being a makeup artist will be story for another day, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys. But because I am experienced and because I know that there are so many benefits in becoming a makeup artist, that is why I will advise every young girl or even a guy that is less busy and you're creative to start up makeup as one of the business. Then another business that one can start up in Nigeria is cooking. If your hobby is cooking, why don't you start it up as a business? All you need to do is create a WhatsApp group, your Facebook, your Twitter, just your social media handle. Create a group on it. Tell people that you can cook fried rice, jollof rice, anything at all you know you can cook. Send flyers out, do so many, just do it, and before you know, people will now be coming to the house to cook. Like now you can be cooking different packages, and before you know it, people will be calling you for parties, people will be calling you from so many places. What you need is for you to start. Not thinking, stop thinking, start it up, and you will be glad you did. Everybody wants to eat, everybody enjoys good food. So as long as you make good food, start it up and you'll see that the business will be good. So another business, number 7 business that you can start up in Nigeria is agriculture. If you're in Nigeria, we know that there are lands that are good, there are places that are good, and if you're good with farming, if you're good with poultry, why don't you start it up? Start it, and before you know it, you'll be a very big farmer. Everything about food, please ignore that noise, it's my neighbor. Everything that you are going to be wanting will be very good. One, you won't be buying it from the market. Two, you're going to be selling it out. Even if it's vegetables you just want to start up, from vegetables you will start doing other things. So agriculture is one very good business that you can start up in Nigeria. So another business that one can start up in Nigeria is clothing. Clothing business is one very popular business that has grown, and you can start with any amount you can start. There are so many ways to start up clothing business. Okay, you don't have money to start up a boutique, but maybe you have a friend that has a boutique. Yes, why don't you go there, take pictures of her product, talk to her about it, negotiate with her, then you can now post it online, tell people that you sell clothes. Anyone they order for, you go there, buy, put your own gain in it. It's you've already started the business already. Or in Nigeria we have this one they call Okreka, that's Steph's boutique. You can also start with that one. So that too is also a very good business. So clothing business is a very good thing. Then the number 9 business that one can start up in Nigeria is Gailey Time. Do you know that there are so many boys in Nigeria right now? Especially if you're on Instagram, you'll notice that there are some guys who are professionals in Gailey Time. What are you waiting for? You don't even need 1 naira to start up this business now, and you'll be making so much money. Yes, so much money. So why don't you start your Gailey? If you know how to make Gailey, if you know how to tie it, even if it's auto Gailey, even if it's the normal Gailey, as long as it's something that you are passionate about and you can do it, start it up. There are so many videos also on YouTube that teaches how to tie Gailey. If you know how to tie but you don't know so many styles to tie, YouTube is also there to teach you that. So Gailey Time is another business that you should start. Then another business that you can also start in Nigeria is coaching people. If you're good with exercise, you know how to exercise very well, why don't you start it up as a business? Also on Facebook, also on just your social media handle, tell people about it. Tell them that you now do 1 or 2 things about exercise. You can make them calm down, you can make them watch their weight, you can make them be fit. You start doing the tutorials on your own, start posting it out and start telling people about it. Before you know, you will be a very popular coach and people will be proud of. So these 10 businesses that one can start, I think is something that you should consider. If there is any more business that I didn't say and you feel will be helpful, you can kindly please drop it in the comment section. Please like my video, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I will be glad to always put content here that you will love. If this is the first time of stopping by in my channel, you are highly welcome. You are You are amazing, and I promise to keep you entertained. If you're a returnee, you already know that I love you. Please keep being you and keep being you. I love you. See you next in my next video. Bye.